y'all can see, 2 people can fit on this thing. Man, this thing is a beast. Twin gas tank. That came out less than 12,000, y'all. This thing is a beast. USB port, phone goes right here. Cup holder right here, flexible. Walker, steel, got little ATV spoilers for your kiddos, side by sides. We got Skag in the house. We got your Hustler. Hustler, man. We got steel. We got some Grasshopper, which most are on pre-sold only order, but we do have some in stock. This mower here is a definite pre-sold only, but this guy did order this week and it came in this week. This is the fastest Grasshopper I've ever got in stock. I personally have had one ordered from my dealership for 6 months and it still hasn't even thought about coming in. But the only negative with this stand-on, the 0% interest is not offered with this mower. No promo, no discount, nothing is offered with this mower. This is the deck height system. I love this chute system here. You just raise and lower the handle, open that. That is amazing design. I love the tires. I love the dual gas tanks. Y'all, this thing is, I've seen a lot of stand-on mowers in my life and I've never seen one engineered like this. The right is very similar. But I would say I'd love to see a bigger engine in this thing, but man, it's just moving a bigger motor. That's about it. And that's really all you want. The 26 Vanguard will do the job. But I don't know if y'all can see how wide this thing is. I've never had this much platform on a mower. This thing has a stance, man. I don't know if y'all ready for this or not, but it's here. Can't put your hands on one at the dealership, I'm going to encourage you to be like this guy. He ordered it sight unseen. This is actually, I'm the dealer, this is the first time I've ever even drove one. Smooth drives, extremely fast. You can adjust your stopper right here to anywhere you want. I don't know how fast this thing is, man, but it's fast. So y'all come see us, man. The light switch is right here. LEDs are bright. Little mower pouring for y'all today. Grasshopper Mowers is in the house. This is going to be their big 900 series on wheels, 40 horse Vanguard. But yeah, y'all come see us at 623 North Main. If you can't find something here, there's something wrong with it. We got American-made side-by-sides. We got some of the top-of-line golf carts in the market for $99.99. And we got a Jamie or a Bubba, however you want to talk to him. I just can't say Bubba. I don't know why. But yeah, 623 North Main. Y'all come check out the Standard. I'm trying to hold this guy off for at least a day to pick it up so y'all can check it out. I've got quite a few of you guys wanting to see it. So thank y'all so much.